How to send voice messages on Discord. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can send the voice messages on Discord. So start by launching your Discord and tap on any group chat or any way that you want to send voice message to. Since I tap here when I try to type any messages, on the downside there are many icons right here. As the last icon there is a icon of microphone. When I tap there I can simply send my voice message from there, but somewhere it cannot be available. So if it is not available, then how you can send is you can save a voice message by the voice recorder that you already have, and you can attach the file and send the file to the people, and the friends of the chat or anywhere you wanna send the message to, they can simply listen to your attached file as a voice message. You can also send any voice messages from the camera and just send the videos to the people that are on your Discord if the voice message is not available right here. But if it is, then you can simply tap here and send the VM. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.